She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. What's up, guys? Dose of Joseph here. So I did just get my aligners in the mail. Really excited. Now, just to talk a little bit about why I decided to do this, and all the details, what I went through, and what you're gonna expect when you do something like this. So one of the main reasons here, look, crowding in my bottom teeth and my two top teeth here, two front teeth, they kind of stick out a little bit more than I would like. So basically, the process that I went through, right? I applied online. I used some link that I found on YouTube to get $150 off of my aligners, to get my impression for free, my scan or something like that for free. I went in person to one of the places in New York City. I scheduled an appointment online. I went in during that time. They had me brush my teeth at some sink with some disposable toothbrush, and then they took me to some little cubicle where they asked me some questions, and then from there they stuck some huge machine in my mouth and they scanned my mouth. I do have a video of that, so I'll insert that here. But yeah, they scanned my mouth, literally every single centimeter of my mouth. The shape of my teeth came up on the screen, like literally every single little bump in my teeth. It was super crazy. Now, after that, I pretty much just decided I was gonna go through with it, because for the past 5 years probably I've been thinking heavily. I was thinking heavily about fixing my teeth. I just never knew when. Never knew when would be a good time, how I should do it. I really didn't want to get braces, and I was like, oh, once I'm rich, I'll get Invisalign. But it turns out Smile Direct Club actually, they pay way more in advertising than Invisalign does. So they're all over the place. There's so many people trying it right now, so there's so many testimonials. So I thought it'd be a good decision, and so far I'm pretty happy with what I've done. I got it in the mail within 2 weeks. But do take note, if you are going to get these aligners, right, if you're next to a major city or you have this near you, just go in person. I think the reason why I got my box in 2 weeks is because they say 3 to 4 weeks. I think the reason why I got it so fast is because I went in person and they scanned it right on the spot. They probably sent it right away instead of doing the impression kit at home. I highly recommend doing this because it's a lot more thorough. I have heard that people that do the impressions at home, every once in a while, I'm sure it's not everyone, but some people do end up getting it messed up, or like certain parts hurt their gums because they probably didn't bite in correctly, probably didn't bite in hard enough. But do go in person. I got this stuff super fast. They scanned everything and it was super insane. Really cool experience. But yeah, let's just open this bad boy up. Super anticlimactic. Let me switch this thing. Jesus, this is hard with one hand. All right, so this is it. Ooh, magnetic. Oh, look at that, that falls down, plops right down. All right, sweet. So I pretty much know what everything in here is gonna be, so I'll explain it to you guys. This is the aligner guide. I already got one of these. I guess tips, how to use. That's for another video. I'll tell you guys about the whiteners. But I also got these, by the way, just a heads up. I got these when I went in person. Another one of these. Ooh, look at this. Now I got two. This is a lip balm. They already gave me one when I went in. And this is to hold your aligners whenever you have to take them out when you're eating. This is to whiten your teeth. Apparently these are really good. I heard that people's teeth are really white after doing this with Smile Direct Club. After using all their aligners and using this whitening stuff, apparently their teeth are crazy white. Alright, welcome to the club. So this thing is to pull your aligners out whenever you have to eat. Now these are Chewies. They almost look like earplugs, apparently. This is so that when you put your aligners in, you chew on these just so that they're completely compact and right up against your teeth. Truth by Grin. What's this? What are these tattoos? Are these fake tattoos or something? One of these up. It's hilarious. So these are like little fortune cookies. Truths to grin by. If people never did silly things, nothing intelligent would ever get done. Look at that. That's cute. I guess I'm getting my money's worth. $2,000 for some truth. Right. Smile stretcher. So this is if you want to be the Joker and cut your mouth open.
Well, you look nervous. Is it the scars? You want to know how I got them?
Oh, it's one of these things. Okay.
I stick a razor in my mouth and do this to myself.
Sweet. Whoa, that's it. There's no aligners. Nah, I'm kidding. All right, let's see. Snap. That is crazy. That's pretty cool. Look at that. So I guess this slides out every time you have to change. Forgot to mention this. They give me one of these in person. It plugs into your phone and it lights up. The gel you put on your teeth, and then you put this light, I don't know, LED accelerator light, and apparently it accelerates the whitening treatment. These 4 little things that come with the box, it's 2 days. Each pen is 2 days, and it's 4 uses, right? So 1 in the morning, 1 at night, I guess, and then you do this 4 times. It lasts 8 days. See, it says do it, 1 full treatment, 6 month supply, 4 pens. It says to do it every 6 months. So you can actually buy these from Smile Direct. Do this every 6 months. But yeah, let's put these aligners in. This is the first week. After the first week, you switch to the second week. After the second week, you switch to the third week. And the third week, you keep in for 2 weeks. These things are crazy. This is literally my teeth. That's insane. Look at that. Alright. Wow. Okay. Ow. Ow. Wow, that's tight. Oh, fuck, I have all this. Wow.
Wow.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy. I'm chewing these bad boys.
She wanted me cutty.
Dang. Wow.
Wow.
All right, let's test this out. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Wow. It's actually not that bad. They're tight, man. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, I'm glad it's tight. It means I'm moving my teeth. It's not really like a lisp. It's more of like it's like a thicker S. Your S is like, nah, it's a lisp. That's a lisp. Yeah, it's a lisp. I'm about to have some perfect teeth, man. I don't think it's all the way on, actually. That's not, yeah. All right. She sells seashells by the seashore. It's better now. Yeah, it wasn't all the way up. Wow, look at that. Boom, baby, let's get it. All right, so with that being said, if you guys want a free scan or free impressions, click the link in the bio. Definitely subscribe because I'm gonna be going through how I'm eating and working out. I work out 5 days a week. How am I gonna get in all the calories, the 3,500 calories that I eat every single day, while I'm taking out these aligners for every single meal and every single protein shake. And also, if you want $150 off of your $2,100 aligners, that'll be in the link below as well. It's the same link. After you do the impressions or the scan in person, if you do decide to pay and go through with this, you'll get $150 off of the aligners. Now there's 2 different payment plans, or 2 different ways you could pay. The first one's gonna be, I believe, $1,850 up front. The second one's gonna be about $2,100 with $250 up front and then $80 every month, which is a really, really, really good payment plan. That's why I decided to go with it. It's gonna be over the course of, I believe, 24 months, even after you already, if you guys wanna get the discount, definitely check that out below. And if you do wanna follow me on Instagram, it's Dose of Joseph with dots in between. So dose.of.joseph. Definitely subscribe. I do also put up other stuff. If you're looking to become vegan or pescatarian, vegetarian, I'll be talking about that too in my future videos. So take care, guys. Quick update, the lisp isn't bad at all if you put the aligners all the way in. Go like this, chill in the front, chill in the back. Make sure it's super duper tight and the lisp is barely there.
Wow.